Hello guys, to our friends of Wootfairy have sent us this portable and foldable 120-inch projection screen. First thing that I'm going to show you is this easy to carry, easy to travel carrying case. It comes with everything inside of this case, so it makes it very travel friendly. You can just take it to the park, you can take it outdoors, or you can simply install it indoors. Inside the carrying case, we will receive our projection screen. It's also going to include this instruction manual, this sandbag, some tripods. This is the other tripod. This is the bag with part A. It does have a resealable bag, so you can always store them in the same bag and you can always know what goes where. It has part B, and this is also part B. Inside the sandbag, we're gonna get some lanyards and some ground stakes in case needed. Part A is very simple to assemble. All you have to do is just simply snap all the parts together and make sure that the corners have these holes, because this is going to go on the top and the part B is the two poles that go on the side. This is how our screen is going to look. This 120-inch projection screen has a 69 format, 160 degrees wide viewing angle, and supports double-sided projection. The screen projector is made out of polyester milk silk. It is thicker than other ordinary screens. The movie projection screen is foldable and wrinkle-free, giving you a better viewing experience. It's easy to assemble. You can use it outdoors and indoors, and it's a tool-free setup. It is very versatile, but is not recommended for projecting in strong winds or heavy rain. The screen projector will reflect the images very good. Even if there's some daylight, it will still reflect the images on a very high quality. And the best part of it is that there's no wrinkles because of the fabric and how it is made. You can use it to project your different movies. You can also use it for some gaming, and you can use it to spend some fun nights with your family. Not only you will get a great image, but the portability takes it all, because you can disassemble it in no time and you can assemble it back in no time, and you can just take it everywhere. You can use it for parties, you can use it for weddings, you can use it just for the perfect excuse to have a fun movie night with the family. I hope that the information about this 120-inch screen projector screen was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.